How to update Google Play services in Smart TV. Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we would learn how to update Google Play services. First, you go to your Google Play on your screen. Now we navigate toward the profile sections. Mine is on the topmost right. Click on it. Go to settings. Click on settings. Now navigate to auto update. Click on it. This gives you two options. I will click on the auto update apps at any time. Mine is already updated. Another alternative is to go back and manage it manually. So you go to manage apps and games. Click on that. Go to updates, 3 pending. Click on it. So I can either update all like this, or I go to the particular app I want to update. I'll go to update. It usually takes some time. I'll wait till it's 100%. It's clicking. Now it's 100%. I can go back to see how far it has gone. It's still updating. When I'm done updating, I'll go back. You can decide to update any other app if you want. If not, simply go back to the home screen or you click on home. And that is how to update Google Play services in Smart TV.